Unleashing the Beast, 2026 Harley-Davidson King Kong. Meet the 2026 Harley-Davidson King Kong, the ultimate expression of power, precision, and style. This is not just another Harley, this is a motorcycle built to dominate every road, turn heads wherever it goes, and give riders an experience like no other. From its commanding presence to its state-of-the-art engineering, the King Kong is the embodiment of Harley-Davidson's legacy and innovation and performance. Chapter 1, Design and Styling. The design of the King Kong is where classic Harley-Davidson DNA meets modern aggression. Its muscular frame, bold fuel tank, and aerodynamic lines create a commanding silhouette that demands attention. Every element, from the handcrafted details to the premium paint finishes, is a statement of luxury and style. Harley has seamlessly merged heritage with futuristic touches. Whether it's the integrated LED lighting or the sharp chrome accents, every angle speaks performance and prestige. Riders will immediately notice the thoughtful ergonomics, handlebars perfectly positioned, seats sculpted for comfort, and a stance that conveys confidence on the road. Chapter 2, Engine and Performance. The heart of the King Kong is its upgraded Milwaukee 8V twin engine, designed for riders who crave both power and precision. Expect exhilarating acceleration and unmatched torque that lets you surge through any terrain effortlessly. With advanced fuel injection, optimized cooling, and precision engineering, this engine delivers not just speed, but smooth and consistent performance even on long rides. Harley-Davidson has focused on every detail, from exhaust tuning to throttle response, ensuring that every twist of the wrist delivers a satisfying roar and an adrenaline-pumping experience. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting open highways, the King Kong promises a ride that's both thrilling and reliable. Chapter 3, Advanced Technology and Features. Technology in the King Kong is second to none. The bike comes equipped with a full suite of rider-focused innovations. Adaptive cruise control helps maintain speed and distance effortlessly, making long journeys less tiring. The advanced infotainment system keeps you connected, offering navigation, music, and smartphone integration. Safety is paramount with features like traction control, cornering ABS, and advanced rider assistance that anticipate road conditions. For tech-savvy riders, Harley has even introduced customizable dashboards, allowing you to choose between performance metrics, navigation, or entertainment, all visible through a high-resolution display designed to be readable even under bright sunlight. Chapter 4, Comfort and Ergonomics. Comfort has been redefined for long-distance adventures. The King Kong features ergonomically designed seats and high-performance suspension to absorb bumps and reduce fatigue. Adjustable foot pegs and handlebar positions ensure that every rider, regardless of size, can enjoy hours of uninterrupted riding. Storage compartments are intelligently designed to accommodate essentials without compromising style. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, the King Kong delivers unmatched comfort without sacrificing its aggressive, muscular aesthetic. Chapter 5, Pricing and Availability. While official pricing details are yet to be announced, industry experts anticipate the Harley-Davidson King Kong will be positioned at the premium end of the lineup, reflecting its top-tier performance, technology, and luxury features. Keep an eye out for official releases, as Harley-Davidson prepares to set a new benchmark for flagship cruisers in 2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley-Davidson King Kong isn't just a motorcycle. It's an experience, a statement, and a revolution in cruising. Prepare yourself to dominate the roads, embrace power, and ride in true Harley-Davidson style. Stay tuned for updates and detailed reviews as we follow the King Kong into its official debut. If you like more contents, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle updates.